Bollywood actor Shilpa Shetty Kundra had recently filed a defamation suit of Rs 50 crore against Sherlyn Chopra. The official statement read, "The entire allegations made by Ms. Sherlyn Chopra against Mr. Raj Kundra and Mrs. Shilpa Shetty Kundra are concocted, false, fake, frivolous, baseless, without any evidence, even to Ms. Sherlyn Chopra's knowledge, and have been made with an ulterior motive to defame and extort money." Now, in this case, Sherlyn Chopra has responded to the notice. Sherlyn shared the first and last pages of her reply notice sent by her legal team to Raj Kundra and Shilpa Shetty. Sherlyn wrote, "Here are the first and last pages of my reply notice sent by my legal team on October 23, 2021 to Ripu Sudan, alias Raj Kundra and Shilpa Shetty Kundra, with reference to their defamation notice." After this, Sherlyn made several tweets, one after the other. In one of her tweets, she shared a note on which it's written. In another tweet, she wrote, "Chronology of complaints. April 14, 2021. I had filed a sexual exploitation complaint against Ripu Sudan alias Raj Kundra at Juhu police station. Ripu Sudan alias Raj Kundra came to my house with malefied intentions to threaten, intimidate and coerce me using his." In a separate tweet, she wrote, "Criminal intimidation with threats to life." October 2021, Raj Kundra and Shilpa Shetty Kundra's advocate sent a defamation notice to not only arm twist me but also to intimidate and pressurize me to take back my police complaint dated 14/2021. Last month, Raj Kundra was granted bail in porn film racket case by Mumbai court after he spent 2 months in jail. Shilpa has been taking care of herself and her family in this tough time. When Raj was in jail, Shilpa paid a visit to Mata Vaishno Devi temple. On the work front, Shilpa will next be seen as a judge for the talent-based show India's Got Talent. India's Got Talent is a show that I have closely followed over the years, so naturally I am thrilled to join the judges panel of the show, Shilpa said. "This is the first time that I will be judging a reality show that is based on not just dance, but a diverse range of skills. India is a country brimming with talent, and I am happy to be one of the drivers of shining the limelight on deserving performers," she added. Shilpa has been seen as a judge on various dance-based reality shows like Super Dancer, Nach Padiye and Zara Nach Ke Dikha. On the film front, Shilpa will next be seen in Nikamma. The film also stars Abhimanyu Dasani and Shirley Setia. Nikamma has been directed by Sabir Khan.